My name is Naeem and I'm the CEO of ESHABS. ESHABS is an after-school club, 5 to which facilitates and accommodates 5 to 15 years old children, and is fully funded for all of the ethnic backgrounds. We welcome all of the ethnicities in the children's area, and the best thing about our after-school club is we are just 5 minutes away from city centre and free car park as well. Main office for our club leader, where club leaders are going to sit. No parents are allowed beyond this point. So this is the area where children are going to be involved with physical activities. The physical training, the exercise is compulsory in any child or children's life.
Glitter czasy się zawalego. Możecie siadać, jak chcecie. Śmiało. Okay, now I'm going to say very quiet.
Great face painting, I thought. Amazing. So amazing. So what were your suggestions after? People come in from outside. Your children, a very children-friendly environment. So, we're called ESHABS, After School Club. And as you can see, I will give background to ESHABS and how it all started. And I want to introduce the founder, who is Juliet Naim, who starts right over there. Yes, he deserves a round of applause, definitely. And thoughts and feelings as well. Another important aspect that we have got is behavior management.
Thank you everybody, thanks for coming over here, and thank you for Pورے time. And I hope that your children will be safe and secure with this. Thank you.
आज हमारे दोस्त जुनेद पूछा कि चाइल्ड केयर इज ओपन के की तमिल साइट पे
Congratulations on the opening of ESHABS.
अल्लाह कामयाब करे और बच्चों को भी इधर अच्छी मिलेगी।
अच्छा लगा
बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे मिलकर, बहुत अच्छा लगा। तो अब यहाँ पे आकर भी बहुत अच्छा लगा।
Very good, very nice, very positive place.
And how do you feel the environment? Do you think the environment is good here?
Yeah. Nice, yeah.
You happy about it?
Good. Nice.
Enjoyed it very much. What was the best? Bouncy Castle, definitely. Face painting and amazing people. When I did the job, I enjoyed it.
How do you find the people, the environment?
Yeah, it's a very good people. Yeah, it's very nice. We enjoyed the day.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
and I wish Junaid good luck and best wishes for the future. I'm sure he'll have a lot of success.
Thank you. Thanks, sir. Thank you very much.
ये हमारे दोस्त हैं जुनैद भाई और उन्होंने ये चाइल्ड का जो ओपन किया ये हमारी कम्युनिटी के लिए ओपन किया और यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी एटमॉस्फेयर है आउटडोर भी प्लेइंग एरिया इनसाइड भी हॉल है
Right, come on, tell me about it. What do you think?
I love it.
Show it.